Holy Ground Studios, finishing up the album. This song is Stop the Silence. My boy Thomas is mixing the record right now. That's the instrumental. Your boy made that beat, man. Of course, Thomas helped, but I made it though. You know what I'm saying? So we're in the studio, trying to get the sounds right, frequencies right. Come along. Get money. Yo, what's up? So anytime I'm at the studio, I always get hungry. I don't know what it is. I just get hungry. So I'm heading to go get me some chicken right now. That's him yelling. I don't know what he's yelling about, but anyways. So I'm gonna go get me some chicken, and then we'll be back in the studio. I think this is the last song getting mixed, dogs. We're doing Just a Black Boy on this next one, so I'll be right back. All right, give me 1 second. I'm trying to figure out what I want to get here at Lucy's. Give me uno momento, please. Oh, let me ask you about them hot wings. Is that all y'all got? Are they spicy or like, talk to me about these hot wings, huh?
I would say they're mild.
They're mild?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and I can get 2 sides and a drink. Okay. And y'all sell burritos here too?
Yeah, they're bean and beef burritos.
And a pizza pocket, cuz? Wow. Okay.
I shed tears with the hopes to inspire you with no fear, yeah. That's why we tryna buy our lives back, homie. That's why I'm talking like I'm off track, homie. I'm just a black boy, like it's you and I. I'm ready to die and leave the world with no supply. And if my mama was here, she'd laugh at this little boy and say, you're beautiful, you give me joy.
Of course not, bro. There he is. There he is. Yes, sir. Yes. I'm so glad you're here, bro. We're going to take the elevator up here.
I got my mask. I'm COVID safe. Look back up.
All right, bro. You're here.
Am I ready for this?
Yeah. I hope you are. I'm so excited.
Where did you get these Among Us things?
Ooh,
Are these stickers?
Yep, they're stickers.
Oh.
This is like the bigger usually size than the other ones.
Oh my gosh. Right now we're grabbing some socks for some of our homeless in Garland. We're gonna grab them, buy them, partnering with an organization called Glows, where they're helping some homies out. So that's what we're doing. Be right back. Out here giving these gifts out here to the homeless in our city. They mistook me for homeless because of my drip. Man, hold up. That's how it goes down sometimes. All right. It's crazy out here. It is so cold. A car swinging through the hood. Oh, it's freezing cold. All right, guys. In here for my vlog real quick. Everybody get in. Ava's doing this. You know what I'm saying?
This really happened. Taking advantage. My eye. I know. I'll move it in a minute, bub.
He getting, you know what I'm saying? That over his face. I want to do this. It's getting too cold out here. Oh.
Triple layers.
All right, everybody in my vlog up. Everybody in? Got Ava. Bubba, come on. All right, say hey.
Hey.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa.
Don't do that.
I'm white.
Hang on, it's loading still.
Let me see.
Hold on.
Oh,
Phone just died.
Phone died.